From Mercure Tirwit, we travel about 20-25 minutes going to our next hotel, which is the Swiss Stamford Hotel in Singapore. And here we are, taking a Grab, which is a little bit more expensive than taking the MRT, but at least it's more comfortable because of the heat. That's a problem with Singapore. Too much heat, especially during the summer. So here's the Swiss Hotel by Accor as we enter the lobby. And it's a very huge lobby. And there's also a restaurant right in front, and a tea house, the TWG. Oh, look at those waiting bags. So much bags, because check-in time is 3 p.m. So now Berna is already trying to figure out how to check in using the computers outside, while I go around looking at these facilities. Like this is the coffee shop, and that's again Berna, who's not used to checking in because she always wants the hotel to check us in. Yes, it's taking time, but she decided to visit the lounge, so we can get our room right away. And the lounge is at the 65th floor. And by the way, if you're a Diamond member like us, you can actually go straight to the lounge and check in. That's the advantage of having a very high classification. But of course, the Platinum members can also check in the lounge. Wow, look at this lounge, so huge. And now time to have double espresso. Yes, whenever you're in the lounge, it's unlimited drinks. And you can have breakfast here if you wish. And that's my coffee. And that's going to be my view with the Marina Bay Sands. Okay, so this time, mag-check-in na kami ni Madam Berna Baron dito sa Swiss Hotel by Stamford. At dito talagang masarap mag-enjoy kasi may lounge at may upgrade. Di tulad kahapon, natulog kami sa Mercure, hindi gaano okay. Yan, 5956 Berna. Sana maganda yung upgrade natin. Oh, nandyan na yung nandyan na yung ating mga bags. Ayan, yung mga bags. Inakyat na. Oh, wow. Ayun, may prutas na naman kami, oh. Compliments lagi ng ng hotel. Ano yung view natin? Buksan mo naman yung Berna, yung kung ano yung view natin. Siyempre, pumupunta kami rito dahil because of the view. Ang view nito, ibang klase. Sandali. Pakita ko muna ito habang hirap na hirap ka Ayan, nabuksan mo na. Ayan, ganyan kaganda ang room dito. Wow! Yung view ngayon, sa wakas, nabuksan na ni Madam Berna. Ay, naku! Ayan ang view ng Singapore. Napakaganda. Sandali, Berna. Di ba yun ang Clarke Quay? Yan ang Clarke Quay eh. Ayun, oh. Yes, yung river na yan ang Clarke Quay eh. Diba? Yes. Walking distance lang ang Clarke Quay. Ayun, oh. Kitang-kita si yung anong pangalan to? Yung, sandali i-zoom in natin Ayan, yan yung iconic symbol, oh. Yung, merong tubig na lumalabas. Yung lion. Merlion pala yan. Yan si Merlion. Kitang-kita from the room, oh. Galing. At yan yung iconic hotel. Zoom in natin. Yes, yan ang iconic hotel na mukha siyang barko. Ganda ng design. Talagang pag sinabi mong Singapore, pag diyan ka nakatira, meron niyang tinatawag na infinity pool. Kanya naman napakaganda. Zoom out ulit. Ay, Ferris wheel naman ang kukunin natin. Yan ang Ferris wheel na gustong sakyan ni Madam Berna. O yan. Ako rin, di pa nakakasakay yan. Pero sabi ni Berna, gusto daw niyang sumakay. O yan ang giant Ferris wheel. Okay, talaga naman. Pagka dito ka nakatira sa Accor Hotel ng Swiss Hotel, it's worth it. Sa ganda ng view. O, pakita uli natin. Ito yung balcony namin. At yan ang aming matrimonial bed. Si Berna, linalabas na yung mga charger. At check natin yung favorite bed ko. Favorite seat ko yung toilet. Lagi ako matagal sa toilet. Okay, so ito yung favorite seat ko, yung toilet na yan. At syempre, mahilig din tayo mag-bathtub. Kasi nga, para matanggal yung mga sakit-sakit sa katawan dahil sa init. Okay, so from the toilet, going to the room. So siguro ito mga no, Berna? Mga 50 to 60 square meters. Ito naman, para sa coffee ko. Brewed coffee. Ayun, no, may plancha rin. Kung gusto mo pala magplancha, no? Berna? O yan, pamplancha, tsaka yung ref. Okay, it's time to relax. Dito sa aking maliit na... pwede pala si Cole dito, Berna, pero hindi siya kakasya. Oo, bitin tong room na to kung si Cole kasama. Oh, yan, welcome tayo. Okay, thank you for the fruits. At mamaya daw, may cake pa kaming matatanggap. Okay, so every day, we'll have to enjoy this view of Singapore. Goodbye.